Hello students. Now today we will be doing logarithms, and in logarithms we will understand what is logarithm, how to find the logarithm of a particular number, what is the use of logarithm, what is characteristic, what is mantissa, and what is anti-logarithm. Means step by step we will be learning. Today let us understand the basic thing, that is what is logarithm. Now logarithms in the short form it is pronounced as log. Now before knowing the definition which I have actually written on the board, let us first understand the thing which we are knowing. Now suppose a power x is equals to y. It is given over here. Means a real number power a variable equals to suppose y. Means suppose 2 power 3 is equals to 8. This you are knowing. 10 power 2 equals to 100. This you are knowing. 10 power 1 equals to 10. This all exponents you are knowing. I means if I write 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8, and so on. Now writing this in the form of the logarithm or in the form of this logarithmic form, we will be knowing under the logarithmic heads first. So how to write? Now in logarithm, suppose this exponent I want to write in the form of the logarithm, I can write as over here log. Always remember the result is written over here, the base is written over here, and the power is written over here. So 2 power 3 equals to 8. Okay, we read it as log of 8 base 2 equals to 3. Now let us do this example. Log over here result, base, and over here power. So log power 2, 10 power 2 equals to 100, and we read it as log of 100. Log of 100 base 10 equals to 2. Again over here this one result, base, power. So 10 power 1 equals to 10. We will read it as log of 10 base 10 equals to 1. And this also, whenever this this log of something and base is same, the value is always equals to 1. So similarly this, if you want to write in the form of the logarithm, how we will write? Over here log of result, over here base, and over here power. So x is equals to log of y base of a. So if let us go to the definition now. If a is a positive real number greater than 1 and x is a rational number such that a power x equals to n. Here see over here a power x, this also is written in the form of the exponent, a power x equals to n, we say that logarithm of n to the base a is x. Logarithm of n to the base a is x, n a x. Okay, a power x is equals to n. So children, now I think you understand how to write an exponent in the form of the logarithm. Now in turn we can also write the reverse, that suppose anything is written in the form of the logarithm, we can write in the form of the exponent as well. That suppose over here it is written log of 5 and any number, suppose 25 equals to x. So we can write over here 5 power x equals to 25, and hence we can get the value of x over here. So 5 power x equals to 5 square. This implies x is equals to 2. Now let us move to a few examples. Question: find the value of suppose log of 25 base of 25. As I said, if this log something and base is same, its value is always equals to 1. Okay, you don't have to calculate also. Whenever these two are same, value is always equals to 1. Now number 2, let us calculate log of 0.01 base of 10. Now this we don't know what is the value, so I'll be supposing this as x. So 10 power x is equals to 0.01. Now this 0.01 we can write as 1 by 100. So this will be equals to 10 power minus 2. So 10 power x equals to 10 power minus 2. This implies x is equals to minus 2. Similarly, one or two more values let us do. More examples let us do. Like suppose over here third example I am writing log of 4 and base is root 2. This value we have to take out without the help of the logarithmic table. So this we will be supposing as x. So this implies root 2 power x equals to 4 base power value. Now this over here we can write as root 2 power x equals to root 2 power 4. 2 power 2, so root 2 power 4. This implies x is equals to 4. Calculate it. Now let us know few rules of logarithm. Now these rules, the basic rules, or they are also called fundamental laws of logarithm. ठीक है. So number 1, log of mn, product means two numbers whose product we are taking as m into n. Means suppose one number is m, the other number is n, and if their product mn is written a log of that number, we can write as log of m plus of log of n. Means multiplication means addition. Again division, log of m by n equals to log of m minus of log of n. Now number 3, log of any number, suppose m power n, we can write as n log of m. Then log of log of 1 base of a equals to 0. Obviously a power 0 is 1, so this you can understand. Number 5 we can write as log of m base of n equals to log of m by log of n, and this base we can write any digit, any other base. I mean over here I am writing b. So this I can log of m base of n we can write as log of m by log of n, but this base has to be changed in the both. This law, two more laws we will understand, that is the numbering I don't remember, maybe it is number 5. Log of a power log of n base of a. Remember this a, over here log n and base only a. This will be equals to n. These two same, then this log of whatever will be the result. For example, let us understand it. Suppose the question is find the value of 2 to the power 3 log of 5 base of 2. This 2 is same, but this I have to remove, so I will be writing this as log of 5 power 3 base 2. So this will be equals to log of 25 5s are 125, log of 125 base 2. Now this base 2 and this one is same, base 2. You can understand whenever we write a number in the form of the exponent, this is called the base and this is called the power. So if this number is in the form of an exponent actually, where this one is the base, and for this logarithmic this 2 is the base. So when the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm is same, the number equals to this whatever is the log of. I think you understand. One more example we can take as log of suppose 5 power minus 2. 5 power minus 2 log of 3 base 5. See over here this base and this base is same. So this minus 2 I will be shifting over here as the power of 3. So this I can write as 5 log of 3 power minus 2 base 5 equals to 5 power log of 1 by 9 base 5. So answer will be 1 by 9 only. The next law is log of n power p base of a power q. both over here n power and means exponent and exponent. The log as well as the base is an exponent. Whenever this like this logarithm is there, I will be writing the powers in the form of the fraction p by q and log of n base of a. This one, this base becomes the base of the log, this powers becomes division p by q and log of n base a. This log of n is not changed. Now let us do this sum by an example. So for example, let us understand log of, suppose over here 2 power 5 base of over here suppose 3 power 7. Okay, so we can write it as over here p by q, that is 5 by 7, and log of 2 base is 3. So any number you can frame and support this formula with the help of an example. Now let us understand some systems of logarithm, that is the common logarithm and natural logarithm. Let us move to systems of logarithm. Systems of logarithms. Now till whatever we have done till now, in all the formulas we haven't mentioned, in many of the formulas we haven't mentioned the base. Now whenever base is not mentioned, we will understand it is natural logarithm. Now what is natural logarithm? So in standard 11 we will know two types of logarithm, means two systems of logarithm, that is natural logarithm and common logarithm. Now whenever it is common logarithm, base is 10. Whenever it is natural logarithm, base is e. Now what is e? Let us first know what is e. E is the Euler's number. Okay, its value is 1 by factorial 0 plus 1 by factorial 1 plus 1 by factorial 2 plus up to so on. Okay, and its value is something between 2 and 3. Exact value till now has not been calculated. So for calculation purpose, we take this value of e as, or Euler's number as 2.57 something. Okay, means it continues. So for calculation purpose, we can take the value as 2.57. So whenever the base is e for a logarithm, it is called natural logarithm. It is also written as ln log. Natural logarithm is also written as ln. Okay, so over here log of 10 base e equals to suppose x. Now common logarithm base is 10. So over here log of any number we can write, let us suppose 100 base 10 equals to 10 power 2 equals to 100. So children, over here 3 sums I have written where we have to evaluate the value of these logarithms. Now as I said, we will be using, whenever the base is not mentioned in a log, over here the base is never mentioned, is not mentioned in these three questions. Whenever base is not mentioned, we will understand it is common logarithm. Remember, common logarithm, log of suppose 5 base, we will take it as log of 10 only. Common logarithm. Natural logarithm, if it is, it will be mentioned. So evaluate log of 5 plus log of 2. So simple, it is log of 5 into 2 equals to log of 10, and log of 10 base of 10 is always 1. Now this one, log of 5 plus 2 log this much plus 3 log this much. So this will be equals to log of 5 plus log of 1 by 2 power 2 plus log of 2 power 3, using all the laws what we have done. So this we can write as log of 5 into 1 by 4 into 8. So 4 2s are 8. So this will be equals to log of 10, which is again equals to 1. Now this one, let us see. Over here, log of 11 by 5 into 14 by 3 divided by 22 by 15. This 15 cancels, 11 2s are and 2 7s are. So this will be equals to log of 7, and log of 7 base 10 value we are not knowing. In the further classes we will be knowing how to calculate the value of such numbers, such logarithms, with the help of the logarithmic tables. Now let us do a few more sums based on some. Now let us move to the next type of the sum in logarithmic, that is proving sums. In first type we did evaluating sums, and in the second type let us do proving sums. Now question number 1 I have written over here, that is prove that log of 70 by 33 plus log of 22 by 135 minus log of 7 by 18 equals to 3 log 2 minus of 2 log 3. Now we can start with LHS and go to RHS, or the reverse. Over here this only 3 terms are there, so we will be proceeding from LHS to RHS only, but whenever we are solving, keep in mind what we have to get. So if I solve this RHS, I will be getting log of 2 power 3 divided by log of 3 power 2, or we can write over here this as log of 8, 2 power 3 is 8, minus log of 9. So this I can write as log of 8 by 9. So actually solving LHS we should be getting log of 8 by 9. So let us proceed. LHS equals to log of 70 by 33 plus log of 22 by 135 minus log of 7 by 18 equals to log of 70 by 33 into 22 by 135 divided by 7 by 18 equals to log of 70 by 33 into 22 by 135 into 18 by 7. Now let us do the cancellation. 7 1 ja and 7 10 ja, 11 3 ja, 11 2 ja, 3 1 ja and 3 6 ja. Then over here 3 2 ja and 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja. Over here 5 9 ja and 5 2 ja. So we are getting log of 8 by 9. So this I can write as log of 8 by 9 equals to log of 8 minus of log of 9 equals to log of 2 cube minus of log of 3 square equals to 3 log of 2 minus 2 log of 3 and equals to RHS. So let us do one more sum based on the proving. I think you have understood. Only follow the rules of the logarithm and you will be getting the answer. So coming to the second sum of the proving type, here we can see that all the terms of this question in LHS have the base 2. So it's easy for us, that is base is mentioned. If base is not mentioned, we will consider it as 10. So let us solve it. LHS you will copy down as such. Now this will be equals to log of 2 16 by 15 power 7 plus log of 2 25 by 24 power 5 plus log of 2 81 by 80 power 3 equals to log of 16 by 15 power 7 into 25 by 24 base is 2 power 5 into 81 by 80 power 3 equals to log of 2. What we have to get? 1. So obviously we will be get log of 2 over here. Log of 2 base of 2 is 1. So we will, after cancellation, we will be getting over here as 2. So let us do the cancellation. Over here 16 is 2 power 4. 15 is 3 into 5, so 3 power 7 into 5 power 7. Over here 5 power 2 and 2 5s are 10, so 5 power 10. And 24 is 2 power 3 into 3 power n. So into 3 power 1, and this is power 5. So we can write this as 2 power 15, 3 5s are 15 into 3 power 5. So over here 2 power 15 into 3 power 5. Next is 81. 81 is 3 power 4. So 81 power 3 will be 3 power 4 power 3. So it will be 3 power 12. So we can write this as 3 power 12 divided by 80. So we can write 80 as 2 power 4 into 5 power 1, and it is power 3. So 2 power 12 into 5 power 3. So 2 power 12 into 5 power 3. Okay. So now let us see the powers. So over here 2 power 28. In the numerator no other 2 is there. Over here 2 is there. So minus 15 and minus 12. Okay. Into 3 power 12. Over here 3 is there. Minus 7. Over here 3 is there. Minus 5 and no 3. Okay. Now into 5 and power 10 minus 7 and minus 3. Okay. So this we can write as log of 2 and 2 to the power 28 minus of 27 into 3 power 12 minus of 12 into 5 power 10 minus of 10. So this will be equals to log of 2 base of 2, and 3 power 0 is 1, 5 power 0 is 1. So this log and base is same, so its value is 1, and so this is equals to RHS. Now next we will be going to the standard form of decimal.